Here by MAF Giggy Khan here. And today, my friends, I got a little surprise for y'all. Because after I get this Instacart, which is paying this, which is on the way to the Veho facility, I'm going to attempt to get 2 routes on this vehicle. And we'll discuss how I'm going to do that. Because I may have found a way that I can get 2 routes on my vehicle and I have to go back to the facility. Veho Mondays are here to stay when I'm in the DMV area. So, before we get into that, I'm going to go run in, do this Instacart pickup real quick because I only have about an hour 20 give or take before I got to be at the Veho facility to pick up my 2 routes. Man. But before we get into all that, y'all know what time it is. Punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. And you know what time it is. Cue the wave.
I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out,
I don't think I'll ever want to do this again. Now, I got the whole route on here, and I got the rest of it in the rack container that I have. I don't know if I ever want to do this again. I was driving, didn't have a secure good enough, and one of the packages fell out of the rack. Good thing is nothing happened with that package, and there wasn't any traffic where I was in danger of getting that package back, but it was just a nightmare. But now I'm at the point now where I could actually zip up most of the container in the back, so I won't have that issue anymore, but I'll feel more comfortable once I get it to the point where I could zip it up all the way and get all those packages delivered. As you can see, there is no room in my car. I have just enough room to see out of the mirror over here. Let me get going to the next stop and try to get as many of the packages done, and I'll update y'all when majority of these packages are gone. But never again. I don't think I ever want to do that again. Never again. I barely have any space to move around comfortably. But it'll all pay off today. But do I recommend doing this again? No. Now, if I have a smaller route and it could all fit, the second route could all fit in that container, okay, I'll do it. But if I'm going to be driving around like this, I only have enough room to move my arm comfortably, I'm not doing it again. I won't do it again. But I'll catch up with y'all after some of this mess goes down and give y'all an update on my experience trying something new that I'll probably never do again.
cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep.
Man. So I'm at stop number 12. We're about to go to stop 12. As you can see, there's still a lot of stuff in here, as you can see. But as you see over here, I'm finally at a point now where I can actually close, like zip up the rack. So that way there isn't a potential for packages to fall off. So I'm going to go do number 12 and see where we can go after that. Now, I still have to do stop number 21. The issue with that was the rack was filled as high as it can go, and I couldn't open the trunk. So to come back and do that package last, but that's not the end of the world. Other than stop 10, the label being damaged, I didn't lose any packages. So if I had a little bit less packages today than I did, I would definitely do this again. But with the amount of packages that I had today, even though it was less than what they said I was going to get, I'm not probably not going to do this again. Not if I have that many packages. Because I couldn't even get the rack zipped up all the way. I think if I was able to get it zipped up all the way, I would have been good. But I was able to, after box 10 flew off and only the label got damaged, thank God. Someone's looking out for me. I was able to secure it better. And none of the packages came off until after I got the first couple of stops finished. And the good thing, too, is the first few stops were all next to each other, which made it even better. So I'm going to go get number 12 delivered, and I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. So I just finished my route. I'll get my final thoughts at the end of the video where I think of using that rack that my dad let me use today of his. But I was able to, after I finished my route, because I'm going to continue working until about 6 and make as much money as possible. I got a giant order. It was $10.25, and I'm pairing that up with a $8 or $9 ish Five Guys order. Five Guys is around the corner, so definitely gonna go pick that up. Drop both orders off, and combined, that's almost $20 combined. So that's the thing I like. Multi-apping is really the only way you're gonna survive doing this gig work. Because I turned a $10 Instacart to almost $20 with the addition of a Uber Eats order, which is around the corner. So definitely moving in the right direction. And I still have about 2 hours and 9 minutes left before I call it quits. So yeah, it's great. So, I just got my next batch, and I got an Uber Eats order to add on to it. So I got these from Safeway. Now, the only thing I don't like about Safeway is they don't tell you the aisles of everything is, but it was only 6 items, 9 units. It wasn't too bad to find everything. And then I stacked that with the $7 McDonald's order. The Instacart order was $12 and some change, so we're round up to $13. So that's almost $20 for those 2 orders. And the McDonald's order is only 4 minutes away. Now the second order from Safeway is close to home. So if I decide that is all I want to do, and drop that Safeway order off, and I could be done for the day. But I still got another hour to go, so keep the train rolling for another hour, and then I'll call it an hour. But we'll see what we can get to today. We'll see what else we can get into today. But shout out to Par for spotting that order out, because it did a lot of declining, and then I saw the $7 order. It's like the miles were good, the hourly rate was good. It was 90 cents per mile. It was good. So they asked me, did you want to accept it or decline it? I took it because of the add-on to the Instacart order. But I'm going to get these delivered, and we'll see what else we can get today. My final thoughts on that rack that I used today to help take not one but two Veho routes.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle.
I'm not going to take any more orders. It's 15 till 6. I think I'm going to be done for the day. I did really good. I'll put the final totals at the end of the video. But man, my final thoughts though on the rack. Now the rack serves a purpose because it allows me to get more volume on my vehicle. The problem with that is that the amount of packages I had today was way too much to safely transport all those packages. Now I got lucky today because I had one package that flew off my vehicle. Now it went into the emergency side of the road, so it was easy to retrieve. It has some road rash only on the label though. The label was the only thing on that package that was damaged. But because there was a number associated with that package, I still was able to deliver it. The label was damaged, but I took a picture of the label and I was on my way. So I like the idea of having the rack, but once again, it was way too many packages to safely carry all the packages. Now, once I got maybe the first 3 stops finished, then I was able to actually zip up the rack container, and I felt a little more comfortable delivering the packages. Now, when that one package fell off and had this little road rash on the label, I was better able to secure everything down so nothing fell off from that rack. But it serves its purpose though. I was able to get 2 routes on here, not have to go back to the facility, waste my gas going back to the facility, and was able to continue doing other deliveries after delivering those 2 routes, and did pretty good today. So this is MAF Giggy Khan, and if you like what you see, make sure y'all punch that subscribe and ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. And I'll get out of here and head home like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream. Peace.